Hello friends, this video shows how you can delete or remove the duplicates from specific column. For example, here we have got one column and you can see that some values are duplicate. For example, maths is duplicate over here, then geography, geo is duplicate over here, and let us add another one, bio. So all these values are duplicate, but what you want to do is you want to remove all the duplicates and get the list of unique values. So for that you can use one formula called as unique, and here you can give the range, so B1 to B9, and you can see that here maths is just given once because even it was duplicate, but it has removed the duplicate and just shown once. Similarly, geo is was also duplicate, but here it is just showing it once. That is how you can remove duplicates from specific column. Thanks for watching this video.